What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. We're back here with the Vendetta, another Speed Series update, and last time we had this car out, didn't go so well. Well, we crashed it. Oh, ended up blowing over, and on top of that, we chewed up the spur gear. And it's plastic. It was run on 6S. It's bound to happen, so it happened. I already had this bought and waiting to use it, and that was a perfect chance to get it in there. I already installed it and ran it up and down the street just to make sure it set well. But yeah, we did this 45 tooth slipper eliminator, spool, whatever you want to call it, and see if we can improve on not only speed but also durability. And only thing you'll need, and this little piece came from eBay, but only thing you're going to need to do is just transfer your bearings over to this and pick up this little slipper shaft, and that goes on the end of the drive shaft. This is the part number there, AR310881. I'll also link it in the bottom in the description. But yeah, I'm gonna install this, charge up our LiPo battery, and see if we can not flip over, and see if we can go a little faster than our previous best of 75. Alright guys, out here to test out this 45 tooth spool. Still got the 27 tooth pinion in there. Got the GPS zeroed out. Let's see what we get. It was hot today. All right, all clear. It looked like it was moving out pretty good. 75 was the previous best. With see if we improved on that any. There we go. 78. That's definitely an improvement. 3 miles per hour. Let's make one more. Oh, camera problem. Let's make one more, see if we can improve on that. Well, it's a 78. Alright. Hey, an improvement is an improvement. Let's heading in the right direction. Alright guys, there you have it. 4 mile an hour gain on 3S LiPo, the CNHL G Plus series. That's new 3S personal best for this car, and pretty happy with that. Probably gonna be doing some battery testing in the future. Also got some drivetrain upgrades in the works for this thing. Gonna try to help the rolling, free up some of the drivetrain loss, and get with this pretty bound up from the factory. But pretty short video. Just wanted to make a quick point. Get this thing back on the road after the misfortune last time we were out. But thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys in the next one.